RGB, red, green, and blue. I had the Charizard growing up, by the way. You know, like the better starter. Jokes aside, let's do a science lesson, kiddos. What do you think you can do with just 3 colors of light? I'm going to quickly open up an RGB calculator online. Here we have only 3 colors. Or do we? Right now, we have a lot of red. In fact, 255 to be exact. So what happens if I start messing with those other 2 values, the green and the blue? So if I want to maybe, I don't know, let's just say we want a little bit of green, but not like a crazy amount, right? Oh, that's not red anymore. This isn't even one of the 3 colors. This is orange. So what can we do if we add a little bit of blue? Now I got pink. How did that happen? And with any sort of various amount of combinations that you wish to add, you can essentially make quite literally any color that you so desire just by fiddling around with some of this stuff you got here. And if you do all of them to 0 like that, you get just black. And if you put all of them to the max value of 255, you get, well, that's yellow and that's white. So with just 3 colors, we can make quite literally every single color, but technically not every color, but realistically close enough to every color. The quote 24-bit PC standard is almost 65,000 colors. However, the meaningful range is at most only 15,000, and that's just simply due to the human eye and pixel density limitations of modern screens. So it's definitely more than enough. So going back to the hardware, an RGB LED is simply a red LED, a green LED, and a blue LED built into one. That's why it has 4 pins. It has 1 for ground, 1 for red, green, and blue. So right, if you could show a diagram with those pins, that'd be cool. The very long one's always the ground one. You can then use pulse width modulation to change the amount of red, green, and blue on each of those 3 wires to make any color you so desire. Shortly after this great discovery, the company Razer was founded, and mechanical keyboards worldwide began barfing rainbows like it's Oktoberfest. Let's wire up some code for this using the diagram provided. Pause if you need it, and the code shown down below, assuming you are on our course page located at inventor.io or our GitHub repo. You can then select the board and hit upload. And now I have it cycling through in this code a bunch of different colors. I have it going through red, green, blue, white, and purple as it sort of just cycles through. And you can fiddle around with this, change however much you want. I'm setting on this one, set color on this. So to explain how this function works, this one is the red color. This is the middle one is the green color, and this one is the blue color. So you can change the amount of value. So let's just say you really want a, I don't know, like this blue. You can do R50, G255, B254. This is exactly what this exact color is. You can go into the IDE here and you can set those exact numbers with commas, and it will set the color on the RGB LED to be exactly as you want it to be. So yeah, that's just about it for the RGB LED.